This question we're going to be working backwards. We're going to use the graph of the reciprocal to come up with the graph of the line that was the original graph. And also we're going to figure out its equation to the best of our abilities. Okay. So first of all, we see here that x equals negative 0.5, which is the same as negative 1/2. That is your asymptote. That's going to be your non-permissible value. What does that mean on our graph? That means on our graph, we're going to have the point negative 1/2, comma 0. Now this could show up in a couple of different ways, right? Maybe our graph is 1 over x plus 1/2. Or maybe our graph is 1 over 2x plus 1. So we've got some ideas coming from that. Next, on our original graph, which is graphed here in red, can we see any points? It looks like we have, like if I label this point, it looks like when x is 0, y is 1/2. So if that's the case, then on my original graph, when x is 0, I would have had to have 2. And it looks like here I have another point. When x is negative 1, we have negative 1/2. So that would mean at negative 1, I would have negative 2. And I could draw the graph of that line. What's the equation of this line? Can you see that we already know that our y-intercept is 2? So it's going to be y equals something x plus 2. What's the slope of our line? Well, slope is rise over run. So if I went from one point to the other point, I'm going up 4 over 1. Y equals 4x plus 2. Now, it didn't ask for the equation. It could have. It just asked us to draw the graph. And in drawing the graph, we find some reciprocal points on our original graph. And we draw what the original point would have been on the line. We also, very important to label that x-intercept according to where the asymptote was. So only one question for practice on this one, number 8.